In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Terraria on PC or laptop. So to download and install Terraria on PC or laptop, you'll have to first thing install Steam on your device. So for that, keys, go ahead and open up a browser, type in steampower.com, and that's going to take you to the official webpage. So in my case, I already happened to install it, so I'm just going to go ahead and press on it. So here, go ahead and press the install button. Likewise, the installation process is very simple. You would just need to go ahead and follow the instruction, and you'll have successfully installed Steam on your device. And when you're done installing it, go ahead and create your account. And when you're done creating your account, go to stores. And here, go ahead and search for the game that you're looking for. That is Terraria. Go ahead and type in that. When you locate the game, go ahead and press on it. And here, you need to go ahead and buy the game. So go through the instructions, information, all that, and click on add to cart if you're sure about it. Then you can go ahead and click on view my card in order to proceed to the checkout procedure and add your payment method, all of that, and continue the procedure. So that's how you can go ahead and install Terraria on your PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.